It gets a little bit cooler tomorrow, but still above normal for this time of year, so we will do a little bit more melting. Right now, we're just tracking a few rain showers, and on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, you can see they are few and far between. We had a few push through earlier. Right now, we have a cluster around Martha's Vineyard, another one here in Connecticut, and as these push through, we'll get some off and on showers. Not everybody will get them, but you know, from time to time, you'll notice a few sprinkles. And by early tomorrow morning, the last of these showers should be moving on through. So I do not see this being an issue for the morning commute. In the meantime, 1 year ago, yes, that was the blizzard of 2015. We'll have more on this. Actually, TJ Del Santa will have more on this in just a few minutes. How about snow so far this year? Well, because this is the anniversary of the blizzard, that really started to pick up snowfall amounts last year. So at this time last year, we had 27.6 inches of snow. This year, just 7.9. Last year, it was a slow start to get that snow going, but once it started, it really never stopped. Speaking of snow, do we have more on the way for Friday? Well, thanks for asking. We'll discuss that coming up in just a minute. High temperatures today made it into the low 50s, 50 in Smithfield, 51 in Providence, 50 in Newport and Westerly, making it up to 49 degrees. And that did allow some of these snow patches to just melt away. Pretty bare ground showing up on this particular image coming in from Narragansett. Actual temperatures right now still sitting rather comfortably, 43 in Smithfield, 45 Newport, 44 in Westerly, and 46 on Block Island. On the threat tracker, no major weather threats over the next several days. And despite the showers we have moving through now, it's a fairly quiet weather pattern over the next several days. Now on Friday, here is what we're watching, and this gives you an idea of how far away everything is right now. We have this disturbance here near Vancouver, another one down towards Texas, and it's really how these come together which will determine what happens on Friday. This piece of energy moving to our north, the one down in Texas moves to our south, and it's really, do these two merge? Well, if they merge, that could end up a decent amount of snow, but right now it looks like the main low stays offshore. This one could drift on through. If that happens, it would be a few flurries at most, just not a lot of moisture available under that particular scenario. So we're going to leave you with a light snow potential on Friday. Stay tuned for changes. Obviously, if that were to track closer, we'd have to adjust that Friday snowfall forecast. Tomorrow afternoon, 42, mostly sunny and breezy, not quite as warm as what we had today, and also not quite as windy, even though we will get those breezes out of the west at around 5 to 15 miles an hour. Along the south coast, low 40s, the general rule, 42 in Charlestown, 42 westerly, and 41 on Block Island. For northern Rhode Island, temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40, 37 Foster, 38 Burville, 39 in West Greenwich. We'll get those early clouds, but I do expect the sunshine to break out during the afternoon. And in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s, 40 in Seekonk, 40 in Fall River, and 40 in Westport. So in the 7-day Futurecast, again, fairly quiet the next couple days. Friday, that snow chance. Saturday is a chilly start, upper 30s, and then Sunday, 46 with mostly sunny skies. It actually looks like it stays mild into next week. I am watching next Wednesday and Thursday for the potential of a storm. Perhaps it would be a rain and not a snowstorm, but when you get beyond the 7-day Futurecast, a lot could change with that part of the Futurecast.
Pretty crazy that we're thinking 1 year ago we were dealing with a blizzard, and today we were like up near the 50s.
I know. I think most people prefer today except for the snow lovers.
Yeah, exactly. All right, Pete, thanks. There's much more to come on Eyewitness News at 10. Officials upping the